Welcome. Are you ready to join the exciting world of groups on Roblox? Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to join a group using the Roblox app on your Android device. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give that a tap to open up the menu. Next, select Groups from that menu. This will take you to a page where you can find all the groups available on Roblox. Now, tap the search bar icon at the top of the screen. This is where the fun begins. Enter the name of the group you want to find, whether it's a gaming community, a fan base, or a creative group. Just type it in. After you've entered the name, browse through the search results. When you find the group that sparks your interest, tap on it. Finally, tap Join Group, and your request will be sent. Just like that, you're on your way to becoming a part of a new community. Joining groups in Roblox opens up a whole new world of social interaction, fun, and exciting gameplay. So don't wait. Get started today.